No power. I got no power. Alright, I got this package came in. DHL. Alright, so let's open it up, see what we got inside. Of course, it's been opened already. Well, not bad. It looks nice. There's no wear and tear, you know, just this little guy right here. Alright, we'll give this a try and let's see if it start up. Alright guys, the replacement arrived. We're gonna put this on the vehicle. We'll take this one out and let's see how it goes. Alright, so alright, here we go. Put the key in. No power. No power. I got no power. No power. Shit, man. Alright, so we're back on the Subaru. So if you're new at this channel, we got this Subaru EJ20, of course JDM. We got no heater power or no ground, or the heater won't turn on. So again, if you're new at this channel, I have these videos coming in twice a week all the time, and if you want to subscribe and click on that bell button and turn on the notification, you will get new videos coming in all the time, every time when I upload. So we're back on the Subaru. You can tell everything is back together. This is the old one. And let's try it out, see if it turn on. All right, so before we turn it on, just a recap on the previous videos on this, diagnosing the wiring, the ground, the power, the signal on that heater control module right there. And it seems like everything is doing good until I bought a brand new but used module. Took about almost 2 months to come in, and it's connected now. It's back on the housing. All the wiring is connected. So that's what we are right now. So let's turn it on, see if we got power. And there she is. It's blowing. It's functioning really good. Auto, temperature low, temperature up. Turn it off. So it's working. And you're probably gonna ask me, what did I do? Basically, it was just the ground on this thing. I thought I did test that ground wire, and somehow I mislid that part, and I got a faulty result. That's why I messed that out. And when I plugged that old heater control module, it worked, and that one worked. So it's not the module, it was just a ground wire. I had to put it on the wiring again on the right side of the screen. I'll show you what ground I test, and that was just a ground wire. That is it was loose from the bolt ground to the chassis of the vehicle. That's what it was. So you make sure when you do tests, you always confirm, double check twice when you do testing those wires. I did test, double check, triple check the power wire, but not the ground. The ground is the main thing on this. So that's it, guys. This is it. I'm gonna put everything back together now. All this molding, all of this panels back on the center console and to the dash. Everything's run good. The mirror working good. The windows switch and windows are working good. So that's it. So next video, I believe it's a squeaky belt alternator, I believe, or power steering. I'm not sure, but there's a squeaky belt that we had to diagnose and change something. It could be the belt or tensioner pulley, or it could be the idler pulley. I'm not sure, but that's the next one. And then after that, outer tie rod, inner tie rod, and then the boot. Both all those rubber boots on the steering rack, they are ripped, and I could see the inside of that boot. I can see like the inner rods already. So we need to change the boot on those. So make sure subscribe, hit that bell button, turn on that notification, and you'll get those video instantly every time when I upload video. I just noticed when I was working on this, leaning over the steering column, I find out that I got no horn. So we'll check that out, pull some wiring diagram, check out some switch here, fuse, and the horn itself up in the front. So stay tuned on that, and we'll see you again.